Hi guys, we're gonna go home now. We're gonna have dinner pa pala. And it's currently... Anong hours na, Tre? What time is it? It's 3:24 p.m. on a Thursday? On a Wednesday?
Monday.
On a Wednesday, I think. So this is my pauwi fit. I'm wearing our school's PE pants. Look at that goat. It's a minute. Hi guys, so we just got back home and it's currently 7:10 p.m. and I am so tired, like really tired. Ang sakit ng katawan ko, ang sakit ng legs ko. It was just a short trip, but it was so fun. Hindi na ako na masyado nakapag-video dun sa, sa dagat mismo kasi umulan. Kaya, nakabasa yung phone ko. Tapos, ayun, it was fun naman. Tapos, marami din there, mga crabs. Tapos, ano pa ba meron? Tapos, the sand was so nice. Ano siya, white sand, tapos it was so smooth. Tapos, ang ano niya, like, masyado siyang pino. Like, as in, sobrang ganda. So, yeah, I'm just gonna BS na. And then, wait for dinner. Tapos, I'm gonna sleep. Tapos, tomorrow, I still have gala with my friends. Makipag-meet ako sa kanila before ako umuwi sa Manila. Tapos nag-bake ako ng cookies for them. So, yeah. I hope that you guys enjoyed watching this short vlog. And I'm gonna see you on the next one. Bye!